how can you manage assets across many countries and jurisdictions? Obviously, it's a complicated question and we don't have time to go over it in a lot of detail on this video. You can go over to adamfad.com if you want to actually look at this issue in more detail. But what I would say is there are some general questions you should ask yourself. First of all, what are you optimizing for? Are you optimizing for example, convenience? Are you optimizing for maybe giving your children or somebody else the money when you die? Because that is an absolutely key question, because ultimately a lot of people are taking risks in terms of both convenience and taxes. So for some people, structures like trusts and foundations make sense. But for other people, a simpler structure makes sense. So for example, if you are a client of a insurance company or a life insurance company, you can select beneficiaries, and that can be a very cheap way of making sure your family get money if you were to die. But of course, that doesn't include businesses in many countries. It doesn't include real estate. So the key thing is work out what assets you have, properties, companies, stocks, shares, ETFs, and so on, what assets you want to have, and then create a structure that is convenient and also as cost efficient as possible given your situation. And we can help you with all of those things.